Did you know that the use of the prescription drug Actos has been associated with diseases including congestive heart failure and heart attacks or myocardial infarctions or MIs? My name's Dan Burke and I'm a lawyer at Parker Waichman in New York, and I help patients who've taken the prescription drug Actos on an almost daily basis. Back in June of this past year, the FDA came out with some information and changed its label with respect to bladder cancer concerning Actos. It indicated that patients who've taken Actos for a year or more may be at increased risk for the development of bladder cancer, and advised that folks who have had bladder cancer previously see their doctor before taking the drug. Earlier this year, back in February, a federal whistleblower complaint was unsealed. Now, what's a whistleblower complaint? A whistleblower complaint is information that's brought by a person or a whistleblower with some ties to a company or entity that has some information about that company, who goes to the federal government and tells the government about that, and the government files suit against the company upon the information that that whistleblower has provided. Back in September of last year, a whistleblower came to the government and they filed a complaint alleging that the makers of Actos were underreporting certain things called adverse events. Now, an adverse event is a report of an injury or a side effect that's reported to the company that is then required to be reported to the FDA. And according to the whistleblower, the company who manufactures Actos failed to provide information concerning the rates at which patients were experiencing congestive heart failure and heart attacks. If you've suffered from a heart attack or been diagnosed with congestive heart failure after using Actos, give us a call. We deal with these types of questions all the time, and we'd be happy to help you out and evaluate your claims. Thanks very much. I appreciate you taking the time to listen.